you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings for better performance and visuals. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Settings and then choose Graphics to access the graphics options available for your game. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, find the Resolution option. Set it to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If you're experiencing performance issues, consider lowering the resolution slightly. Step 3. Modify quality settings. Look for the Quality Settings section, which includes options for texture quality, shadow quality, and more. Start by setting these to medium or high based on your system's capabilities. You can experiment with these settings to find the right balance between performance and visuals. Step 4. Enable VSync and frame rate limit. To prevent screen tearing and ensure a smoother experience, enable VSync. Additionally, set a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate to avoid performance drops. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and stability in games. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.